So the other stuff that you have is limit orders. And this can be done, for example, if you're expecting Sol to go down, you can put the price target at $100. And then as soon as it hits that $100, you will buy Sol. Or you can set, for example, this is what you would do, is you would choose the amount of Sol you want to stake, and you put the price that you want to automatically sell. Once it hit that price, for example, here, 110, which would be almost like a 10% increase from the price as of now. And then you can actually use 6.31%. And then you sell it automatically and you can cash in your profits. That's basically it. And you would place it here, and then the wallet's gonna come up to ask you to confirm. I am not going to do it. Cancel. But that's how you do it. And you can also do it for buying Sol if you want to catch those dips. That's actually an interesting thing to do.